So guys, this is the property which you saw it in Samare Set as well. The link was given to you. So I'm going to take you inside this property. This is an independent property worth of only 60 lakhs, and moreover it is negotiable as well. As you can see, they've given a small car park over here and we can enter. So as you enter, you can see this is a small 1 BHK. Rather I can call it as not small, decent 1 BHK with a toilet, and there's a kitchen as well in this with the kitchen. This is a brand new property, guys. This is utility area. So the builder is constructed with a good quality material, the property. This is a common toilet here, and this unit is in the ground floor. So this property should be ready by say another 1.5 months. So almost the work is done, the tiles, the wiring, the flooring, painting, everything is done. So there's another 1.5 month, or probably to go another 2 months as the lockdown is going on. So I think once the lockdown is over, then we can expect the work little fast. So I don't know whether we'll have the lockdown for another a month or so. So this is stairs which takes us to the unit on the top. The ventilation is really good, the woodwork is really good. When I say woodwork, it is the doors and the the vascals and all the doors and toilet doors I'm talking about. This comes this unit is not coming up with, does not come with the woodwork, the semi-furnished woodwork. The buyer will have to do the semi-furnished woodwork. The unit is more or less the same, the one which is in the below and the top, both have the same design and the same plot. I mean to say the same design. So there are only 2 units here in this independent house. So the person who probably one family can have this both the units if they have a joint, if you have a joint family, or probably you can stay in one unit and rent this out. This is very close to Hennur main road, hardly 100 meters from Hennur main road, just behind Mantri Splendor Apartments. So if you type Mantri Splendor in GPS, you will get the location, and then we can meet up in that location to see this property. Property is allowed to see only in the morning 8 o'clock because of the lockdown. And the cost of the property is 60 lakhs only. 60 lakhs, and we can still more negotiate on that. You can sit down with the owner. I will be talking with the owner as well. Probably I'll make a second part of this video while I'll be talking to the owner and probably showing you. I'll try my level best to have that as well in the video. So guys, subscribe, like the video and share it as much as possible. If not you, maybe there would be somebody who would be having a budget of 50-60 lakhs, it would suit them.